Hello guys, welcome to this HTML tutorial. So in this tutorial we will see HTML head, and in this video we will make an external CSS file. Means that external CSS file means that a separate CSS file for CSS. So in our previous video we were making a file in inline CSS. Means that a CSS was in HTML page. There was no other file for CSS. So let's start it. So for making a separate CSS file, we want to make our new file called any of the name, like I'm using style.css. So in style.css I will make my CSS which will appear on my HTML page. So to link this CSS file, there is a tag called link. So link relation style sheet. So in href we have to type our file name and its extension. So I will use style.css. So now my CSS is connected to this HTML page. Now let's check it's connected or not. So I am using h1 tag. In h1 tag I am using heading called fruits and vegetables. So let's test this external CSS. So .h1 color is equals to aqua. Control S. Now sorry, there will be no dot in it. So whenever I will use h1 tag, my color of the text would be aqua. I have connected my CSS file on line number 8. So Control S and refresh the browser to check the results. So as you can see that aqua color is appeared on my h1 tag. So we can apply any of the things which we were applying on inline CSS as same as external CSS. Like I can use in paragraph tag that let's play with HTML. Control S and let's describe the CSS for p tag. So p tag, I want my color would be blue. So let's check the results. Control S on both pages and refreshing the browser. So as you can see that my paragraph is blue and my heading is aqua. So we can use external CSS for this. So this was external CSS. Now intro to forms. You have seen many forms in the websites, like to get the data of the user. So in this video we will start with forms which will be introduction based. So let's start with forms. So for creating a form, there is a tag called form and form. So in this tag we will describe our form, like we want input. What type of input we want? We want input type of text. Okay, now we have closed the input and let's check what's the result. Control S and refreshing the browser. As you can see that there is an input of text. So we can set any of the things we want in input, like we want input of password, input type password. Now let's check the difference between two. In text the text is visible, in password the text is not visible. So there are many things in forms we will see in our next video. Hope you understand external CSS and introduction to form. Thank you for watching.